What's up, y'all? Sorry, the 16th. Welcome back to the vlog. Today, we're doing an oil change. Pretty simple procedure, and I think everybody on the road should know how to do it, but a lot of people don't, shockingly. It's really quite simple. All you need to do is locate where everything's at. Should be able to do it without jacking up my vehicle, because my vehicle's kind of low. I mean high, rather. Kind of high. Okay, basic set of tools. You're gonna need fluid catch container, motor oil of your choice, and a filter of your choice. And of course, you know, your tools. Fancy. You got a little plastic cover on the filter. Okay. What else are we going to need? We are going to need pretty basic set of tools. Ratchet. And a socket. That's pretty much all we should need. Don't foresee anything else. So let's get this over with, eh? First thing you're going to want to do is pull out your engine oil dipstick, which I've already done. It's right here. Locate your filter. Mine is here. Some of the other ones are down there. Some of them are down here. It all depends on your make and model. And then you need locate your filler. Pull that open. Now comes the hard part, or the most annoying part. Gotta get down under your vehicle and locate that plug right there. That is your engine oil pan drain. That plug is one of the most important plugs on your vehicle. You can guess why. So we're gonna get her all ready to go. Relatively easy job. And I hope that's a halfway decent angle for y'all. I don't think it will be though. Okay. Nope. 16 mil. Ratchet on loose. I can get out of the way for now. Keep in mind this is going to be very hot if you're doing it proper. Best way to do this is to run the vehicle up to op temp. Keep in mind this is your exhaust pipe, so don't hit that because it'll hurt a lot. You get fluid any minute now. Okay, there's a little drop. Really should be wearing some eye protection, just in case of splatter. But here's my view, right here. This bolt is going to be very, very warm. So do not handle it yourself. Yeah, that oil's hot. I have oil on my face. Just a little bit. Oh, yeah, nice little amount. So we're gonna let that drain for a little while. I'm gonna go get cleaned up. So it just occurred to me, I didn't tell you when we're at. So it's Tuesday now, August 21st. And how's it going? Okay, still a little bit of drip. So we're gonna let that go a little bit longer before we move to the next step. Next step is, of course, to pull the filter off, set it down in the pan, and install the new one. And wait for the jets to stop flying, because it's really annoying. It's probably a little better. I went in, cleaned up the plug. A little bit of Dawn dish soap goes a long way. So I dropped it on the ground. Didn't want all that dirt and that getting into the pan. Let's head down there. I'm going to reinstall this plug. You can see just a little bit of flow left. That's the best timing I could have hoped for. I'll wait for that drippage to slow down a little bit more. Keep in mind we did pull the dipstick and the cover. Actually, I bet you there's going to be more flowing once I pull that filter too. I'm going to pull that filter next. I'm not going to install this plug yet. Just going to set it over here by the ratchet and that. Okay. There. Filters on this side. We're about there. So that when we pull our filter, look straight down to the pan. Okay. Ooh. I'm gonna have to replace my hoses soon. Coolant hoses. Waste trans fluid. My wife has my strap wrench somewhere too. Not fun. That's a little bit better. Okay. Yep, I'm gonna go find that strap wrench. My wife uses it in the kitchen to open jars. At least a rag or something that I'm not handling that hot filter. Get out of that towel. Use that towel. I just need something so that I'm not grabbing the hot metal. My wife did see it. She's not too upset about it. Just, whatever. There we go. A little bit of fluid flow already. Oh yeah, this is hot. Very, very hot. like the flow has already stopped. Cool. Let's go plug it. Oh, we spilled some. Damn. I overestimated where it would fall. Okay, there's our drain plug. There. I'm gonna let that stop dripping. Alright, that should be enough. No point in letting it go too long. Alright. You don't really need it too awfully tight. Just gonna throw the ratchet down there, give it a quick little snug. Alrighty. Wipe our hands off. Okay. Most auto parts stores will recycle those, I think. I know of at least 2 that will. Alright. So, when you get a new filter, you're supposed to grease this rubber seal, or oil it rather. So we're going to do that. With the fresh stuff. You can use the old stuff, but I prefer the fresh. Finger down in there. Lube that seal up nice and lubed. Pretty close tightly. Okay. Don't lose that in my engine bay. Our oil filter. It does actually tell you what to do. It's going off, lube the seal, going on, and snug and 3/4. Fuel. So snug and 3/4. Where's the contact? I don't know. Trans pan. Should still be hot. the hot scale, and we are up on a hill. So should be fine for now. Wipe off everything. Now that's done, we can add our new oil directly into there. I don't know why people don't know how to do their own damn oil change. A lot of people just don't, or rather just don't do it, simply because it's easier to have somebody else do it. So we'll wipe all that a little bit extra off. Put this cap back on. Now this will take some time to actually work its way down into the pan, so I'm going to let it sit for a little while, and then come back and check it, and if all things are good, well, that's it. That's the end of an oil change. I don't believe that's accurate. It's 5 quarts, right? Yep, 5 quarts. Good. So, I'll come back when we're done. Okay, y'all, we're back about 10 minutes later. I cleaned up everything, you know, all my tools are now put back away. And you can see by the dipstick, set it down. Stay. See by the dipstick, all the oil comes up to just above the safe line. So 5 quarts is what it's supposed to take, even though everything I've found says 6. I'm gonna run it for a day or two, and then I'll check it again, see maybe that extra quart is somewhere that I don't know. I do have that extra quart with me, just in case. And I think that will just about do for this vlog. I mean, it's only been probably 20 minutes of footage. I do want to take it out for a spin, you know, turn in the waste oil, and she needs a bath. Bad. Check that trans fluid again, because yeah, we're still just below the hot line, so I'm gonna call it good. I'm gonna take it to AutoZone to turn in the waste oil, and then I'm gonna go give her a bath. I'm gonna do the touchless wash first. No, I'll do the direct wash first, and then I'll do the touchless to get the bulk. I don't know. I'll figure it out. By the way, I'm spending probably way more money than I want to today. Alrighty. So, let's do that and go about our day. Thanks for watching. y'all, that is the end that I can think of. Thanks for watching, and if you have enjoyed, please share, like, comment, and subscribe, for it really does help out my channel. I'm just gonna finish driving home, and actually I need to be in this lane. I know what I'm doing. Yeah, that just happened. Brakes are still really wet. So yeah, that's the plan at this point. Gonna drive home, edit this up, and I need to pick up my wife in 2 hours. 2.5. I might get this out before she even gets out of work. That'd be cool. But yeah, I really look forward to hearing back from you guys. This pretty much concludes fixing the car up for after our trip until I come into some more money and I can put the proper trans in it. I don't know if I told you guys about that, but someone replaced the 2000 transmission with the 1999 transmission for this car, and there's about a 1,500 pound load rating difference, which is frustrating. I really needed that extra 1,500 pounds, hence why we had so much problems. I am going on a detachment here shortly to another state. I can't tell you where, I can't tell you when. I am bringing the camera. I won't be uploading. Why is my I won't be uploading for that, but I will upload what I can afterwards. It'll probably be a week or two after, for obvious reasons. I'll be gone less than a month, I think. So it's just a little short one. Being in the military, I expect to go on these a lot. However, I would like to go on them more often, simply for the extra cash flow. I really need it, especially fixing this thing. I'm expecting to come back with about $1,700 to $2,000. Which would be really nice, seeing how the new trans for this is $1,500. And then the rest would go into the savings account, or towards the loans. More likely towards the loans. The other thing I was thinking of doing is maybe putting it towards the new fairing for the bike. Fairing, speaker system, Bluetooth, the whole 9 yards for the bike. But that's only $700, which I could do that and then raise up the extra $500 for the trans after, but then nothing goes back into the savings account, which is a problem. So I need to really weigh out my odds. Right now, the car's running flawlessly. I've just got that one little leak right there by, right there on the main seal that I was talking about. And other than that, I mean, that's it. So long as that doesn't spread, it's not a concern. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Tomorrow, or possibly tonight, I'll be putting out another Minecraft episode. And then I'll go back into the schedule that we had planned, and that'll be that, you know. Be sure to check out the description for links to my Twitter page and the Discord page, and there is a StreamJar page there, but I don't think it works unless I'm actually live. By the way, I do stream on Mixer every now and again. do implore you to take a look. It's mostly gaming, as one would expect. I usually stream for 2 hours or so. Sorry, I'm getting some McDonald's. I'm a little toasty. Gonna get some frappes, or a frappe for me. And yeah, that'll be that. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care, everybody.